BMW India has launched the X5M competition in the country, priced at 1 crore 95 lakh rupees, ex-showroom India. The all-new offering is based on the X5 SUV but gets the M performance treatment, complete with a 4.4-litre V8 twin-turbo engine that develops 617 brake horsepower and a whopping 750 Nm of peak torque. Power is sent to all four wheels via the 8-speed M Steptronic automatic transmission. The X5M can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds and has an electronically limited top speed of 250 km per hour. Over the standard X5, the new BMW X5M competition gets larger bumpers, quad exhausts and new M alloy wheels. The SUV also gets launch control, adaptive suspension with electronically controlled dampers, active roll stabilization and more. The new X5M comes to India as a completely built unit and takes on the Porsche Cayenne Turbo and the Audi RS Q8 in the segment. The new generation Mahindra Thar has been a roaring success for the automaker, and the company garnered over 20,000 bookings of the off-roader within a month since its launch in October this year. The automaker has now confirmed that order books for the new Thar are now full till May 2021. Dr. Pawan Goenka, Managing Director Mahindra & Mahindra, confirmed the development exclusively to Car and Bike. The SUV recently received a 4-star rating by the Global NCAP that further solidifies its capabilities. The Thar has also earned the title of being India's safest off-roader. The new generation Thar currently commands a waiting period of up to 5 to 7 months depending on the variant. The company has decided to ramp up production to address the growing demand from January 2021.
We have already commissioned 50% more capacity than what we had originally planned. I think starting the month of January, we will get to that point. But right now, with a demand which is far exceeding what we thought we will be getting for this vehicle, we are, I think, booked solid till May. And I don't see May becoming January. We will try and make May become April, but I don't see it becoming January. So unfortunately, the customers will have to wait for the vehicle, though we are trying to increase capacity as much as we can. But there's a limit to how much it can go up.
Piaggio India has commenced production of the upcoming Aprilia SXR 160 at its Baramati plant ahead of the launch in a few weeks from now. The all-new premium scooter for India was unveiled at the 2020 Auto Expo in February and was slated to arrive in the third quarter of the year. However, the launch was delayed due to the pandemic. The new SXR 160 is a maxi-style premium scooter that has been designed in Italy. The offering will come with a 160cc 3-valve single-cylinder fuel-injected engine, well paired with a CVT automatic transmission. It will also get telescopic front forks and disc brakes with anti-lock brakes or ABS as standard. The new SXR 160 will be retailed through Piaggio's 250 dealerships pan-India, while the premium scooter is expected to carry a price tag of around 1,30,000 rupees ex-showroom.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.